What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Solana. It's been a while since I made a video on Solana, right? I think the last time I made a video on Solana was on the 3rd of April, and with the look of things right here, I was bullish on Solana, I guess. Yes, I was kind of bullish on Solana in a way, but the market has been different ever since. So this is more of an update right now on Solana. So without wasting much of your time, we could see clearly right here that Solana is still very much bearish. We kind of bottomed out. Left to me, I still think Solana is actually bottoming out already, or it has almost bottomed out short term, not mid term, short term, because Solana is actually, if you look at Solana long term, like from the higher time frame, you will definitely see that Solana has a lot of levels to cover. A whole lot of levels to cover. And in terms of a lot of levels to cover, we could see Solana dropping all the way down to $57. We could see Solana dropping all the way down to $32. We could see Solana even dropping all the way down to $23 or $25, depending on how Solana goes. So there are different levels right here where Solana could drop. It all depends on it. Does it want to take vegetable? Does it want to go for the beef? Does it want to go for the bull's eye? Does it want to go for anyone? Any delicacy is definitely waiting for Solana down here. So with the look of things, all I can say right now is that all Solana needs to do is mid-term, Solana should hold on. Sorry about that. Solana should hold on. It should hold up, or should I say it should be stable, because being stable right now is the only way out for Solana. And with the look of things, we could see clearly right here that I still believe that Solana could still drop all the way down here to retest this level at 76, which it has obviously retested. But this week right here is definitely going to be one of the reasons why I could say that Solana could still drop below this level and head all the way down to $67. That is a possibility. That right there is a possibility. And also, without wasting much of your time, you could also say that Solana still has every chance of breaking out. By breaking out, we could still see Solana breaking above this resistance right here at $81.70, finding support around here, then rallying much higher to $88 again. So this is also a possibility. But at the end of the day, we just need to realize, or we have to realize, that nothing right now is all about the technicals. The technicals right now is not what is playing the major role right now for Solana, but rather what is playing major role right now when it comes to the price movement in this market right now is the fundamentals, the Middle East war. But apart from that, in terms of the news, looking at the news, we could see that the Solana Foundation launches Solana Agent Skills, integrating AI to enhance compliance and payment within its DeFi ecosystem, providing foundational innovation in regulatory and transactional solution. And the following news is Solana progresses with Project 11, focusing on post-quantum security efforts to safeguard its cryptographic infrastructure from emerging quantum threats. So this is definitely what major coins out there are doing. They are trying their possible best to make sure they are anti-quantum hack in the future, especially Bitcoin. So if Solana is taking extra miles to make sure that it is quantum proof, it is quantum proofing itself for the future of getting hacked, I think the big dogs are definitely working hard to make sure that likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum are also working on that. So obviously, most major coins right now, because that would be one of the biggest fears this year, because before October, November, December this year, people definitely need to be getting good news about most coins getting quantum proof. Because if a coin is not getting quantum proof and it's not headlining the news, people will definitely be getting their money out of those crypto assets, because it's either the people behind it will definitely want to have access to people's funds, have access to people's money by using the excuse of, oh, we were hacked using quantum computer or quantum computing and all what's not. So there are so many things that can go down the drain. So I think for Solana to be doing this, it's very good. And Solana's increased institutional, oh my goodness, Solana's increased institutional interest is driven by regulatory clarity, with its trading activity positioned within the Fibonacci golden zone. So I guess this is from an analyst. So Drift protocol exploit on Solana underscores the critical need to enhance security and boost the resilience of blockchain infrastructure. So Drift was a coin that got hacked recently. So I think they are trying to integrate into Solana. So this is very good. So obviously nothing really much going on right now, except that the fundamentals needs to move the market, honestly speaking, because the market has kind of been stable for a very, very long time due to the fact that, Good Friday, the whole market was kind of closed. So till tomorrow, there will be a lot of volatility going on tomorrow. So I'll definitely be here to keep each and every one of us updated. Happy Easter to each and every one of you guys. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful holiday. Peace out.